OpenAI introduced Full App Directory, available on iOS, Android, and web, accessible from Tools menu or chatgpt.com/apps. Developers can now submit apps for review and publication following app submission guidelines. First approved apps roll out gradually in new year. Apps divided into featured, lifestyle, and productivity categories. Launch partners include Spotify, Apple Music, Booking.com, Dropbox, Google Drive, DoorDash, Adobe Photoshop, Zillow, and Canva. Apps connect through Authorize Flow, enabling @mentions inside conversations. Spotify app creates playlists and discovers music through chat interface. DoorDash transforms recipes and meal plans into actionable shopping carts. Dropbox gathers insights, prepares briefs, and summarizes internal documents. Apple Music manages libraries through conversational commands. OpenAI published Apps SDK in beta with open-source example apps, UI library for chat-native interfaces, and step-by-step quick start guide. SDK builds on Model Context Protocol, extending MCP, enabling developers designing both logic and interface. Developers monetize apps through external linking to native apps or websites. Internal monetization options under exploration. ChatGPT contextually suggests relevant apps mid-conversation based on usage patterns and preferences. Sam Altman stated apps should feel like natural conversation extension, helping people move from ideas to action. OpenAI reaches 800 million ChatGPT users, creating thriving developer ecosystem. Platform transforms from chatbot into operating system, where developers build and distribute applications.